Hello everyone, welcome back. Today Chef Ghee will show us how to make this delicious egg roll. He will show us the detailed ingredients and step by step. Alright, here's all our ingredients. Half a cup of clear noodles or tapioca noodles. Half a cup of ground chicken. Half a cup of ground pork. Quarter of a cup of shredded carrots. Also, a quarter of a cup of shredded taro, quarter of a cup of the ear mushroom, also quarter of a cup sweet onion, a teaspoon of ground black pepper, teaspoon of salt, about 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and a teaspoon of salt. To wrap the egg roll, we are going to use this wheat sheet paper, and you can use any brand as you like, but we're using this one as it's easier to use. And be sure to separate them so that way it makes it easier to roll and make it faster also. Now that we have all of our ingredients, let's mix them together. In a big bowl, go ahead and add a ground chicken, ground pork, shredded carrots, shredded ear mushroom, sweet taro, sweet onion, tapioca noodles, then we'll add sesame oil, salt, sugar, and black pepper. Go ahead and mix everything together very well. As you are kneading them like this slowly, the ingredients will stick together very well. It's like automatically binding. And go ahead, put the mixed ingredient into a separate container. Let it rest for a couple hours or overnight for better taste. And this is the tapioca glue. And now that we have everything, let's make our egg roll. Okay, let's make our egg roll. Our egg roll sheet is square, so what we want to do is lay down flat and then make sure that one tip of the square is directly in front of us, one tip towards us directly, and also then the 2 tips parallel to our body. Take 2 tablespoons of the mix onto the sheet about in the middle, and then wrap the end that's towards us over the mix, and then wrap the 2 ends that's parallel to our body over the mixed ingredient. Then just roll like that. Okay, that was our first egg roll. Now let's watch Chef Ghee making the second one, and so you can follow along with him. Alright, now that you have made the second egg roll, continue to roll them until your mix is finished, or as many as you like. And as mentioned, this mixture will make about 10 to 15 egg roll depending on the size that you like to roll. And here we have the egg roll ready to be fried in the hot cooking oil, which is about 375 degrees. Then we can fry our egg roll. Be sure to watch the temperature of your oil to not burn the egg roll. And now our egg roll is ready to be served. You can serve egg roll by itself or with a lot of green fresh vegetable, leaf lettuce and mint and cucumber with sweet chili dipping sauce. It makes a very delicious snack or any meal. Thank you again so much for joining us today to learn how to make spring rolls from Chef Ghee. We hope you join us again next time to learn how to make new dishes from our menu. Be sure to subscribe and like so we can give good feedback to Chef Ghee. Until next time, take care and have fun cooking.